Hey guys, Terry Telford from Launchpad 101, and today we're going to take a look at the dashboard for Yoonla. If you look above this video, I've got some information on why we've chosen Yoonla as our preliminary case study. The main reasons being is Yoonla will pay you to refer people to the website for free. So you can refer people to the website, they sign up for free, and you get a commission for the people that sign up. So the commission is actually quite decent. It's $2 for most of the world, most of the countries in the world, and it's $4 for tier 1 countries. So you're looking at Canada, the US, UK, Australia, New Zealand, those countries. The rest of the world, with the exception of a couple of countries where they're finding there's just too much fraud happening, the rest of the world basically is $2. So it's a $2 commission or a $4 commission on simply referring people to sign up for a free account. You then get an additional $30 commission for anybody who upgrades to the next level. And then anybody who they refer to the program who also upgrades, you get a $30 commission on that too. So the commission structure is very, very lucrative, and it allows you to get to that $100 goal very, very quickly. Essentially, if you had 3 people upgrade, you're already sitting at $90. So the numbers work really, really well. Obviously, whenever you're referring people that they can sign up for free, it's a lot easier than if you're referring people that are intended to buy a product and then you get a commission that way. So that's really the reason why we've decided to start off with Yoonla as our first case study. And like I said, there's more details above this video. You can take a quick read there and find out exactly what it is that we're doing. Now, in addition, I wanted to take you through the dashboard of Yoonla, just basically to show you what you're going to be seeing when you sign up for your free account. And we'll start off with the Evolve Starter. And you can see over here on the left, there's basically a quick little welcome introduction to Yoonla. My suggestion, my recommendation is you watch all of these videos up to step 7. You're going to watch all of them. Now, this is where the split, you're going to end up coming up with it's the split that we talk about between investing your time or investing some capital. So at this point, what I did is I decided to invest some money because it's very, very little money for the amount of work that these guys are going to do. And instead of setting up everything through these 7 steps, I simply clicked on this big yellow button, and the Yoonla folks sign or set up everything for you. So the nice thing is they do that for free, but your only cost involved in that is a $15 autoresponder from GetResponse, and that one is a recurring. That's $15 a month. And then is Yahoo Small Business, which costs you $63.61, I believe it is, whenever you again follow through the information that I showed you, and you get a 10% discount because it's normally $70, but then you get a 10% discount if you Google the coupon code, and then you get it for $63. Now that $63 is for a year, so that includes your domain name, your hosting, website builder, and a whole host of tools and whatnot that you can use. So it's a really, really good deal. It works out to be something like $530 or $580 a month. So really, really good deal. So my recommendation right off the hop is watch all these videos so that you know exactly what's going on behind the scenes. You know exactly how the accounts get set up. You know exactly how the whole system works. But then skip the time it's going to take you to go through this and set up your account. Just go directly to free Elite Upgrade and Priority Setup, or you can click this yellow button and let those guys at Yoonla sign up everything for you. Again, it's very, very simple. I'll just click on here so I can show you exactly what you have to do. All you do is 3 steps. Number 1, you set up your autoresponder. Number 2, you sign up for Yahoo Small Business. And then number 3, you fill out the form that lets them know what your login and password is for Yahoo Small Business, because they're going to need that to be able to set everything up for you. So what they do then is set up your website. They set up the autoresponder with your first autoresponder email, and they connect everything so that you have a small funnel that allows you to refer people, and then they get into the funnel and they move through the process, so that you're making essentially, you're making sales while you sleep, while you're on vacation, while you're at work or doing something else. You're still actually making sales. So that's step number one. Definitely watch everything so that you know exactly what's going on, how things are being set up. And if you want to do it yourself, because you want to keep everything on a, you're investing your time as opposed to investing any money, absolutely go ahead and do that. But my recommendation is to have them do it and save yourself quite a lot of time. I would say probably 2 to 3 hours to get all that set up, and just essentially they do it for you for free. It's the only cost is that you're paying for the tools. The next thing you're going to look at is the Evolve affiliates. Now, I'm not going to go through the dashboard and whatnot right now. We'll do that at another time whenever we're talking more about the affiliate side of things. Landing pages, I'll just show you, there's actually only one. That is the secondary landing page. The primary is a different looking landing page that we'll cover at another time. And the email swipes is quite handy because they set this one up for you. Number one, the thanks for signing up. They set that up in your GetResponse account for you. But then they give you all the other email account another 10 or another 9 email swipe files. So you can just simply copy and paste the email from here into your GetResponse account, and then you're pretty much you're set up and ready to go. So that's pretty handy as well, the email swipes. And then the affiliate marketing training, there is a set of, I believe it's 6. Lesson 2, Lesson 3, Lesson 4, Lesson 5, Lesson 6, 7, and Lesson 8 and 9 and 10. Okay, so there's 10. It's been a little while since I looked through them, but definitely go through that so that you have a really good background of what affiliate marketing is and what it can do for you. The lessons are good as an overview, but they're not very specific. So when we get a little deeper into the training and the and building this out the way that I'm going to show you how to do it, this is a nice background so that you know why we're doing things, but it's not specific. It doesn't show you exactly what you're going to be doing. So that's where I'm going to fill that gap, and we're going to do it step by step by step. The same thing for the traffic and promotion. These are good. The Facebook mastery, YouTube mastery, Instagram mastery. Those are good. But they're very general. They're not specific. So we're going to take quite a bit of time and go through those and set things up so that you actually have a Facebook campaign, you've got a YouTube campaign, Instagram campaign, etc. The other thing you want to do is watch this one here. That's called the important notice. Watch first. You want to take a look at that because Reno explains why they do things the way that they do, why there's certain countries that are not permitted into the system, and essentially what they're looking for as far as leads and people that are signing up. And then this tips from Yoonla Top Affiliates. I think it's about an hour long if I'm not mistaken. It's okay. It's not great. I didn't find there was a whole lot of information in there that I could bring forward and actually use. And then there's the download files, which you don't really need to concern yourself with if you're having Yoonla set up the system for you. Again, there's another link to the email swipe files. And then once you've got everything set up, then you can connect with them on Facebook and Instagram. It's okay. It's not, these accounts aren't set up, so they're not really fantastic yet. I'm hopeful that they will get better. But overall, the system is really, really good. Again, there's link to support. Need help setting up. That's again, this priority setup, and of course your logout. So overall, it's a decent system. The really exciting thing about it is their commission plan and really giving you the ability to make your first $100 in a fairly quick way. We're going to do it very step by step, setting up a proper business, and then we're really gonna kick it into high gear. And your first month will, as long as you follow the plan, is going to hit at least $100. And moving on from there, we'll continue to grow very, very rapidly. So that's the back office, the dashboard, the Yoonla dashboard, and a little bit of an overview of why we're going to use Yoonla and the way that things are working. So that's pretty much it. You have enough to keep you going for today. This is your first task. When you watch these videos, it takes 39 minutes to complete all the videos. Again, I recommend you watch everything in there, even if you are having the Yoonla folks set up your account for you. So awesome job. We're through the first video of this series anyway, and onto the Yoonla Evolve dashboard. So we'll talk again tomorrow.